Well, from time to time, we come across some exceptional cars here at MGM, classic cars here in Addison, Illinois. And this is one of them. This is a 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle Super Sport clone. It's a 136 VIN. If it was a real Super Sport, it would be a 138 VIN, for those of you who did not know that. But what's so exceptional about this car is the high quality frame off nut and bolt restoration that was completed. This thing belongs in a showroom. This thing belongs in a heated, controlled garage. This thing needs to be driven. This thing needs to be shown. World of Wheels, etc., etc., etc. SEMA show. That's how nice the quality of this car is. You can take it to the Good Guys tours that they have across the country. This is that type of car. Now, the body color on this car is what we call a Merlot. The paint is near perfection on this Chevelle. All of the chrome, trim, lenses, glass, weather stripping, wheels, tires are all in newer, restored, replaced condition, guys. If you are picky, this is your car. I will share with you all of the information that I foresee here and all of the information that you will see under the hood, trunk, interior, and wait till you see underneath this baby. Okay, I'll share that with you. But first of all, I just want to do a little walk around to show you everything about it. All the gaps line up real nice on the car, as I mentioned before. It is tagged as an SS 396. And I also share with you what big block is underneath the hood and what options this gorgeous Chevrolet has. Okay, as you can see from the video right away, the Weld aluminum racing wheels. Tell me those don't look badass, okay? As you can also see the Wilwood 4-wheel power disc brakes. Now that we've gone around the car once, I would like to move in a little bit closer to share with you the reflection and the high quality paint job that this car has. As you can see, it is a mere finish, okay? You can look at this thing all day long. That's how beautiful it is. All the crevices have been detailed and paid attention to. I'm gonna pop the hood. I wanna share what's underneath here. Look at this showpiece, guys. It looks better in person than in this video. The shine is unbelievable. This is a big block 454, bored and stroked to a 468 cubic inch motor. You can run pump gas through it. As you can see, the beautiful aluminum Chevrolet tall valve covers, K&N air filter, the Edelbrok setup on the 2.0 aluminum intake, and the Holley 4-bill high-performance carburetor. You got the upgraded aluminum radiator to keep this baby cool. Huge fan in front of it. Vintage air conditioning installed. You got your Wilwood disc brakes with your chrome booster, chrome master cylinder, power steering, alternator. Beautiful touches on the accessories. Look at this core support. When this car was dismantled, they painted the core support a high gloss black. Inner fenders, high gloss black. All the bushings have been replaced. all the bugs are taken out of the car, meaning all the little tiny issues, the little squeaks, this and that, have been all tuned up and dialed in. Isn't that gorgeous? Go to a car show and you pop that hood. I mean, this thing is set up for long touring, guys. You got cold air conditioning. Beautiful, beautiful car, guys. Let me share with you the interior. Oh, check out the vent windows. Natural air conditioning. Yep. Let's start with the door lips here. Look at these original pinch welds from the manufacturer. Everything was paid close attention to. All new interior, door sill plates, inner outer jambs are excellent on the car. They even painted the inside all gloss black as well. Everything's brand new. All the weather stripping, as I mentioned, seats, seat belts, package tray, headliner, new steering column, tilt wheel, console, factory shifter. Let's get in this thing. Look at that. Digital Dakota installed with the red finish. Just a beautiful steering wheel. A-pillars are all painted nice. Clock even functions. Look how clean that is. Those are the air conditioning tubes. I would probably try and get that installed a little bit tighter. It's going to be hard because they are big. Newer Bluetooth radio. Tachometer installed. They did a super nice job in here. Let's check out the trunk. Look how clean that is. All around. Hats off to the guy who restored this car or the company. I mean, I do restorations and I know quality. This is quality, guys. Yeah, this is beautiful. 12-bolt posi, sway bar, turbo 400 trans. You guys ready to go for a ride soon? Me too. Let's do it. To the 66. So the horn is currently not working. I think when I looked at the wiring, I believe it came loose. I will have that fixed. wiper motor fixed. Not quite sure why, but I will have that fixed. All cars get placed into the service department before we ship out any vehicles. So all the gauges here do function. Radio does function. Heat and air conditioning functions. Cold air conditioning. This thing's ready to go. Even the clock works, guys. How cool is that? All right. This is probably the best time of the day for me, guys, especially on this beautiful weather. All right, so we're gonna go left here. Power steering feels excellent. Honestly, you can drive this car with one finger. This is my first time driving the car with you guys. Let's check out the power steering here. We crank it all the way, no noises. Everything feels good. Get a little squirrely on you. That's what muscle cars do. This thing handles the road real nice, guys. You hit the brakes, it doesn't pull to the left nor to the right. Good temperament on the motor, trans. Oil pressure is over 60. Okay, let's go. Wow, this is smooth. Signals all work. No play in the steering wheel, really. I mean, this is a tight car. All the suspension has been redone. Good. So if you guys need financing, if your credit score is between a 640 and a 775, you will need 10% down of the purchase price. Okay, you can roll in your sales tax and your delivery charges into your loan if need be. You can find that application at mgmclassiccars.com. And if your credit score is over a 775, we have a no money down option, and you can go directly to lightstream.com and fill out that application. Once you get a pre-approval, please reach out to me. I will leave my phone number at the end of the video. If you need delivery, you can call or text me with your zip code. This car has to go in an enclosed carrier because it is way too pretty. My number is area code 847-848-1850. MGM Classic Cars is located at 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois, 60101. We welcome all shoppers and all buyers to come on down and see the cars in person. If you're too busy for that, we could deliver the car. We're licensed, insured, and bonded all the way to your driveway. I've been in the business for 26 years. I buy, sell, build, and trade nice cars. I own the vehicles. We put our money where our mouth is. Wait till you guys see the underneath of this car. Again, if you're looking for a showpiece, you found it, guys. All show and all go, I'll tell you that. All right, we're gonna put this car on the lift and take some pictures underneath. And one lucky guy will be able to own this car. Again, my number is 847-848-1850. My name is Thomas. Thanks for watching MGM Classic Cars. This is our service department. Thanks again.